Hey guys, welcome to your look for Young Alexander and the show that is on, I think it's June 5th. Don't quote me on the dates, I'm losing track of details. So this is your makeup look. It is super futuristic and abstract and fun. So key elements are to have a light base on the foundation, glowy skin. If you want to correct any spots or discolorations, go ahead and do that, but make sure the rest of the face is nice and sheer. I did use a highlighter around the area here and on my inner eye and mobile lid, and then gloss on the lips, and we're gonna do a white abstract eyeliner look, and we are going to cover brows. Now in my video you'll see how I did this, and we can do this on set for you. If you're able to do it at home, great, go ahead. I just used a water-based pigment, so when you get home you'll be able to just wash this off, and it's super easy to clean up. So if you don't want to have a mess at home, feel free to just come to set and we'll do this on location. The white eyeliner this is not, you can do whatever you want. I just played with this morning. You can do a cat eye, you can do any type of graphic line in white, literally whatever you feel like playing with. And if you don't have the white, don't worry, we can do that on set as well. And that's about it for the look. So go ahead and watch the video, and feel free to message me any questions that you may have. So to get started, I'm going to make sure I've prepped my skin fully. We want to go for a very hydrated, dewy skin look. So I would recommend double cleansing your face. Just make sure you're perfectly clean and all the pores are just flawless. And then go ahead and tone. Add on whatever hydrating serums you have, layer them on. If you have like a hydrating sheet mask, go ahead and do a sheet mask treatment, do an under eye treatment, do all the things. And then layer on a face oil if you have it, and then put on a moisturizer on top. The moisturizer will help lock in that face oil. So I've already prepped all of that on my face to try and save time on the video. And I'm going to go in now because I've had 10 minutes, so everything's like had a good chance to absorb. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation. So for this look, we want a very sheer, dewy, perfected skin look. So if your skin is relatively smooth and you just need light coverage, I would take your foundation and add a moisturizer to it so that it's nice and glowy. I'm going to use this transformer. It's a foundation mixer from Kogi Cosmetics, and I've got a palette in front of me with my foundation. So I'm just gonna pour this into my foundation and mix the two together. And I think I'm gonna mix them with my fingers because I don't know where I put my spatula. So I've just mixed that together, and now I'm going to spot that all over my face and just do a light application of a sheer foundation. And I'd like you to do this step first before going in with a concealer to cover anything. This will just make a nice light base, and then we'll do more. And then I always go ahead and do a little bit down the neck as well, just to make sure that there's no line and it's all flawless. But if you're doing your neck, make sure you set it very well, as we don't want any makeup to transfer onto the clothing that you'll be wearing. Okay, so hopefully you are able to exfoliate your lips, soften off any dead skin, and then go ahead and apply any sort of lip hydration. I'm gonna go in with a sleeping mask to start. It's just a nice heavy layer of hydration. And I would recommend that you pack a lip gloss, a clear lip gloss, or a lip balm, or Vaseline. We will have something on set, but it's always best if you have your own for the show. So go ahead and hydrate. Hydrate your lips. Okay, if you have any darkness under your eyes, please go ahead and do a concealer. I have my concealer, so I'm gonna go ahead and just tap this. And then I'm going to use a damp sponge and just set my concealer right away as I tap it into place. So for this look, we're going for something very shimmery and dewy and space age, maybe? So I'm going to go ahead and add my highlighter to the high points of my face. Oh, actually, the first thing I'm going to do is put on an eye base on the crease of my eyelids. We're going to be doing some white abstract art. There will be face appliques on location in like silver and white. I haven't seen them yet, so I don't know what they're going to be, but we'll go ahead and prep the makeup just because we don't really know where we're going to set these appliques. So I'm going to use an eye base. This is like a tinted eyeshadow in my skin color, and I'm going to put this all over my eyelid with my fingers. So then the next thing I'm going to go in with is a highlighter. So we want something that's a shimmery, silvery white. So nothing golden or yellow or bronzy at all. We want to keep it on the silver spectrum. So I've got this from Diamond Dust Illuminator Baked Gelato Swirl from Laura Geller Beauty. Now it does have like hints of pink and purple. That's okay. Just try to avoid yellow and gold if possible. I mean, we'll roll with anything, but we really want to keep it on the silvery blue spectrum. So I'm going to put this on the high points of my cheek and a little bit around my eyebrow. Okay, I don't know if you can see it in this lighting, but it is very pretty. I'm also going to take it into my inner eye crease here. And then maybe a little bit on my mobile lid, just for some extra accent. Now this look is very abstract, so don't worry about following exactly what I'm doing. You can go ahead and place wherever you want to place to highlight your features. You know your face best, hopefully. If you don't, feel free to shoot me a message and we can chat about where to put. But I'm totally easy with whatever will make you feel best in this makeup look. This very wild and avant-garde abstract makeup look. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my white liner. Now we're going to have, oh, do I have white liner? We're gonna have a small kit on set that we will do some of these touch-ups on set. So if this is as far as you get, I would want you to do mascara. And I'm going to do mascara. I'm going to do both top and bottom mascara. We're just using mascara. We are not going to use false lashes or any extensions. So go ahead and pop that on your lashes. And then if this is as far as you're going to go with the makeup look, and I'll explain more in a minute, but then I would just ask you to set your face with a makeup setting spray. Hopefully you have one. If you have a setting powder that is like a hydrating or glowing setting powder, you can set it. I'd rather not use anything that's mattifying. We'll see the longevity of the look, but we'll fix it on set because I do have like specific products that will help, and we'll be able to do that all super sanitary to keep everybody safe. But if you have a makeup setting spray, go buck wild with the setting spray. We really want it to stay all day or all morning, as the case may be. But that would be where you could leave off and go from there. And then on set, we're going to do a few more things. So I'm going to do that right now. So the first thing we're going to do, and you might have a white, something white at home that you can do this with. I forgot to pull the right brush. That's okay. I didn't pull the right brush, but that's okay. I'm gonna just use this little detail eyeshadow brush, and I have an aqua color palette here. It has white paint, so I'm going to use a watercolor white. If you have a white eyeliner, if you have a white pigment, a cream, something, we're going to do just some white highlights around the eye. Now, you could do a white eyeliner, you could do a white cat eye, literally whatever you want. I'm gonna do something a little bit more abstract, white here and then white here for fun, because I did this look the other day and I did a white eyeliner. Now I want to do something a little bit more fun. So that's one eye. Ideally, I would have the perfect match on the other side. I don't know if I can do it this morning. I always find makeup a lot easier to do on other people than I do on myself. So I promise if we're on set, I can make you symmetrical if you want, or if you don't care, whatever. Yeah, it's a little bit more challenging on myself for sure. Okay, that's like a little bit symmetrical. Yeah, okay, so then the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to actually cover our brows. Now, I have this epic water-based pigment that I will have on set, and it's literally water. So this is it right here. It's from Cryolan. And I do have a darker palette as well, so I will make sure I have for all skin tones. And we're going to cover your eyebrows. This stuff actually covers really well. So I'm going to show you how I do it on camera right now, and then I'll take some photos so that you can see the look. And if you have concealer at home and you want to go in and cover your eyebrows, please do so. It'll save so much time on set and it would be really helpful. But if you really don't have anything, that's fine. We'll do what we can when you get there. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. Okay, so this is essentially the look. We will also have those appliques to go over the face. So this is, I'm gonna say, the base of your look. I really want more of a silvery look on my face, but I think that's just what I'm gonna get with this product. So I may source out a variety of highlighters. I'm sure I have something else in my kit. This is just what I pulled. So yeah, keep it silvery and silver and white and abstract and have fun with it. And then, oh, and then I will have lip glosses on set. Oh, that's purple. Oh my God. Don't use purple. Make sure that you have a clear gloss on your lips. I did not mean to do that, but it's pretty much glossy. Okay, so that's it. Have fun with it, guys, and I will see you on the set.